This is the amplifier, and this was a center speaker, and this left and right speaker, and this was a surround speakers. This amplifier has support to 5.1 HD channel, and the maximum effective output is 135 watt from each channel. And for a surround sound processing, it is available with Cinema DSP effect, and there are 17 DSP programs available in this amplifier. It also supported with Dolby Digital Plus and Dolby Digital. This receiver has a unique audio features such as compressed music enhancer. It helps to increase the quality of the MP3 content available in YouTube. Also set the initial volume and maximum volume settings. And in video features, it has a 4K HD pass-through and upscaling facility. To get a new output such as pre-output, you can also add one subwoofer. It has 3 HDMI pass-through and 1 audio return channel. It has several audio input and output such as 1 optical and 2 coaxial and 2 analog audio input and output. This is the center speaker, and it has a maximum input of 100 watts. The type of the center speaker is full range acoustic suspension. This is the left and right speaker, and it has a maximum input of 100 watts. And the type of the front speaker is full range bass reflex. This is the subwoofer. It has a cone and the diameter is 16 cm. And the type of this subwoofer is full range bass reflex. These two are the surround speakers, and the type of these speakers is full range bass reflex. And the box includes one antenna connection for FM, 2 AAA size battery, and a remote with some amount of connecting wires. When the connections are made, I upload a video on sound test of these speakers.